Everyone is talking about AI, but when someone says LLM, RAG, AI agents, or AGI, most people just nod and pretend they understand. In this video, I'll break down 38 AI terms everyone should know, explained simply, clearly, and without technical confusion. By the end of this video, AI conversations will finally make sense to you. Let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence means machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Machine learning is when AI improves by learning from data instead of being manually programmed. Deep learning is a part of machine learning that uses layered neural networks to understand complex patterns like images, speech, and text. Neural networks are AI models inspired by the human brain. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, refers to AI that can think and reason like humans across all tasks. Important to understand, AGI does not exist yet. Now let's talk about how AI actually learns. Supervised learning means training AI with labeled data where the correct answers are already known. Unsupervised learning means AI finds patterns without being told what is right or wrong. Reinforcement learning is when AI learns through rewards and penalties. Similar to training a dog, training is the process of improving an AI model by adjusting it repeatedly. Parameters are the internal variables that control how AI behaves. Weights are values that decide what information matters more during learning. Ground truth means verified, accurate data that AI learns from. Now let's move to modern AI models. An AI model is a trained system built to perform a specific task. A foundation model is a large AI model that can be adapted for many tasks. An LLM, or large language model, is trained on massive amounts of text to understand and generate language. Transformers are the architecture behind most modern AI models. Tokenization means breaking text into smaller pieces AI can process. CURS embeddings convert words and sentences into numerical meaning. Inference is when AI generates results on new input after training. Now let's talk about generative AI. Generative AI creates new content, text, images, audio, or video. A chatbot is an AI system that simulates human conversation. Computer vision allows AI to understand images and videos. Natural language processing, or NLP, helps AI understand human language. Context is the information AI remembers to respond better. Explainability means understanding how AI makes decisions. Hallucination happens when AI confidently generates false information. This is where AI becomes powerful. AI agents are autonomous programs that can make decisions and take actions. RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, combines search with AI responses to improve accuracy. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is a standard that lets AI securely access external data. AI wrappers simplify how humans interact with complex AI models. Prompt engineering is the skill of crafting inputs to guide AI output. Turing reasoning models focus on logical, step-by-step thinking. Vibe coding means building software using natural language prompts instead of traditional coding. Finally, let's talk about AI hardware. Compute refers to the processing power required to run AI models. GPUs are hardware designed for fast AI processing. TPUs are Google's AI-specific processors built for large-scale models. If you understood even 70% of this video, you're already ahead of most people talking about AI online. AI isn't magic. It's data, models, and logic working together. Save this video, share it with someone learning AI, and subscribe because in the next videos, I'll break down how to actually use AI to build projects and make money. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep teaching.